Hello and welcome to this new video tutorial of WooCommerce point of sale plugin. Now this particular plugin provides the store owners to have the functionality wherein they can easily manage their online stores along with their physical stores as well. The physical stores will have a point of sale front end management system, and in order to divide the effort, the admin can assign a store agent to the physical outlet. The admin can create multiple physical outlets from the admin backend panel and can assign single or multiple store agents to each of the created physical outlets as required. Apart from that, the store agents can easily manage the sales and the customers at that particular physical store outlet as required using the POS terminal. This POS system can work both in the online and the offline mode with the feature of synchronization, wherein all the sales and the customer data of the offline is synchronized with the online store whenever going online. So if there are any orders that you have placed whenever the POS system is in the offline mode when there is no internet, so whenever the internet comes back, all of the offline orders and the customer data are synchronized with the online store there automatically. And this particular POS or the point of sale terminal front end is basically built on the React to allow an effective user interface, thereby providing the POS agents with a user-friendly experience. So today we'll be checking our ready-to-use point of sales system for the WordPress WooCommerce there. So I'll be taking you through the workflow of the POS terminal there. So for that, I'll be tapping here on this particular demo option that we have, that's the salesperson demo. And that will bring up the login section for the WooCommerce point of sale system itself. Now before I proceed further with this particular video tutorial, please do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest updates from our end. And if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. So as I've already told you, the admin can create multiple POS outlets there from the admin backend and can assign a single or multiple agents to the respective outlets there. Now those agents can then access the POS terminal within the physical outlets using their username and the password that the admin has created. Now the POS terminals would be opened up. This is a web-based POS terminal, and the agent just needs to enter his username, password, and then he has to tap on the login button thereafter. Now after login, you can see that first of all the POS terminal agent needs to enter the opening amount for the cash draw there. So you can do that later as well, but you can go ahead and you can enter the opening amount for the cash draw there, and then you can tap on the OK button. Now this is the particular POS terminal. As you can see here on the very left hand side, we have the home button, customers, cashier, orders, reports, settings, reset, and a logout option for the particular POS terminal agent. As you can see right now, Doe has been logged in and he can log out using the logout button on the bottom left hand corner. On the very top, we have the search product option, wherein you can search the products that are within the POS terminal there using the product name or the product SKU. For example, if you want to search the products using the product name, then you can directly enter the product name, for example, Woo single, and the respective products would be displayed to the POS terminal agent there. Apart from that, let me cancel it out. Let me tap here on the all products. For example, if you want, you can also check the complete list of products that are there within the store by tapping on the all option. Otherwise, if you want to go to a particular category, then you can go to, for example, clothing, grocery, music, posters, and here you have one more option that brings up the option to select the categories from the particular ones that have been listed here. So for example, here we had the clothing, the main category that displays the complete list of products within that category. If you want to go to a base category within the clothing, then you can choose, for example, t-shirts, then only t-shirts would be displayed. Similarly, for example, if you go to music, you can go to singles and only singles would be displayed. Otherwise, if you tap on music, the complete list of products under the music category would be displayed there to the POS terminal agent. Here you have an option to scroll left and right. On the right hand side here, you have an option to make this POS terminal in the full page view. So if I tap here, you can see that it has gone into a full view there. Right now I'm only recording the screen as per the requirement there. So let me tap that button once again. Then this pause option is there on the right hand top corner that shows the orders that we have put on hold. I'll be showing you that in a while from now. Then we have this icon that shows that we are connected to the internet right now. And lastly, we have this synchronize button option. If I tap on that, that would basically show us the complete list of offline sales and would synchronize the offline sales whenever the internet is back online, and whatever sales that we have made in the offline mode would be synchronized with the actual WordPress WooCommerce store there automatically. Now coming back to the home, let me tap here on the home button. Here you can find the complete list of products, and to the right of this you can see this particular section here, and here you can see the customer name, that's the John Doe, that's the default customer there. Here you have an add option, delete option, and then barcode option. Now to add, how you can add the products into the cart. So for that you just need to tap on a particular product and that would be added into the cart, as you can see. To remove a particular product, you can tap here on the cross icon that you can see, or if you edit the product, you can tap here on the delete button as well to remove that product from the cart there. Apart from that, you can see an apply coupon option. If you're adding a product in the cart and the customer is having a coupon, then you can enter that particular coupon code here. You can tap here on the apply coupon, and that particular details would then be visible here under the coupon option that you can see. So that was how you can easily add the products to the cart. Now for example, if you want to search for the customer there, or you want to select a customer, we have already the default customer as John Doe. To select a particular customer for this product that you want to check out, you can tap here on the John Doe name that you can see here on the card itself. So tapping that up would bring up this customer section. Now here you have two options. One option is to add a customer. To add a customer, you can tap here in the add customer button, and then you can fill in the details of the new customer, like his customer name, customer phone, email, his address, country, state, city, pin code, and then you can tap on the save customer to save that particular customer there. Else, if you want, what you can do is for an already selected default customer, if you want to change the customer, you can search the customer by the name and email. So for example, we have a customer who's already registered at our store and his name is Kate. So if I search, I can select Kate, or for example, I want to search for Mark, I can search for Mark and I can select him up, and you can see that here we have the selection as Mark Doe right now. And if I now tap here on the change customer, the customer has been updated, and here you can see on the cart now we have Mark as the customer for the product that's there within the cart. And for this order we have selected Mark at the webpool.com with the email there, and now we can make a checkout thereafter. Now within the cart, here we have an option as a right arrow, as you can see. If I tap on that, here we have two options. One is the quantity and the price per product. Now if you want to provide or you want to increase the quantity there for the product, what you can do is for example, I want to make it as 2 units. I can set it as 2 and tap on the enter button, and you can see now the quantity of the product has risen to 2 units there. So it's $18 now. Also, if you want to provide a particular discount on the initial price of the product there, so for example, the price of the product is $9, but I want to provide it for $8 per unit. So I can set the price per product as 8 and I can tap on the enter button, and now you can see that the particular discount for $2 has been applied to the product, and it's for $16 now. The same is visible here for the discount option here for $2 now. Here you can also see the tax that's applicable on this particular order. The subtotal is $16 and the grand total is $17.60 there. So that's how you can add the products to the cart, change the customer, or if you want, you can add a new customer there. Now one more thing is that if you want to add the products into the cart there, one way is to directly tap on the product, search the product, tap on it, add it to the cart, or you can directly scan the barcode of the products as well and add them into the cart there. For that, you have this barcode option here on the top right hand corner on the cart. If I tap on that, Now if the barcode reader is already attached to your system there, you just need to scan the barcode of the product and the product would automatically be added into the cart there as well. So that's the other way to add the products into the cart using the barcode there. Now let me show you the checkout procedure there. So to make a checkout, what you can do is you can tap here on the pay button and you'll be taken to the checkout there. As you can see here, we have the order details on the left hand side with the 2 units and $16. Now here you can also add order notes as well for the particular order, and here you have cash payments and other payments as well. In other payments, you can choose the payment methods as PayPal, PayU, Google Pay, Stripe, or card payment, and accordingly you can add a note there that the payment has been made through the respective payment methods, and accordingly you can enter the data as well. For now, let's choose it as cash payment, and the payment that needs to be made is $17. So if I provide $20 here by the customer, if we have standard $20, we have to provide the change back to the customer, that's $2.40. And now we can tap here on the option that's the confirm payment and generate invoice. So here you can see the payable amount, the customer name is Mark, and to confirm the payment you just need to tap here on the confirm payment and generate invoice button, and that will process the order. As you can see that the order has been processed. If you want, you can print the invoice right now or later by going to the order section and then printing the invoice, or if you want, you can right now also print the invoice by tapping on the print invoice button. And for now I've just skipped that out. If you want, you can go to the order section. This is the order that we have just placed for the Woo album for 2 units. If you want, you can tap here on the print invoice to print the invoice there. So after tapping on the print invoice, you can see that the data has been loaded here. Here we have the customer name as Mark Doe. The change is $2.40. The total was $17.60. Let me cancel that out. Let's go back to the home page by tapping here in the home option on the top left hand corner. So that was the checkout there, a normal checkout by the POS terminal agent. Now let me show you how we can put a particular order on hold. For example, I'm adding one product into the cart there. For example, Woo album 1. I've added to the cart, and altogether with that, let me show you this other option as well that we have here as the add option. So if there are any products that are not yet available there within the store or have not yet been released but are going to be released, then what you can do is you can also add a new product directly from this section. So to add a new product, what you need to do is you need to enter the product name. For example, I'll set it as test product 1, and I'll set the price as $120 there, and I'll tap here add, and the particular product would be added into the cart. So from here you can increase or decrease the quantity of the particular product, or you can change the price as well, as I've already shown you in the previous example there. Now the main thing I just wanted to show you here was how we can put a particular cart on hold. So the products are there in the cart, a customer has asked these products, but now he wants to go ahead and he wants to check out the store there, and then he wants to come back and wants to process his cart there. So what the sales agent can do is he can tap here on the whole cart button that you can see on the bottom end. So if I tap here on the whole cart, we have to add an order note here before we add the particular cart on hold. So customer, for example, needs to add a few more products after checking them out in the store, and then I can tap here on the add order note here. So you can see that the current cart has been pulled out of hold and a new cart has been enabled. Now here on the top right hand corner on the pause icon, you can see that we have one cart on hold, and this particular cart is set on hold under the orders section. So if I go to the orders section, here we can see the sales history, hold sales. All right, I'll also show you the offline sale, how the offline sales are visible here. So here's the wholesale section. Now if I go to home page, we can see we'll have a completely new cart there. Now for the next customer, I can process the orders by adding the products into the cart and can make a checkout thereafter. Now that particular customer now again comes back and asks that you had put my cart on hold, now I want to make a checkout. So I can go to the orders section, wholesale section. Here I can see in the note customer needs to have a few more products after checking them out in the store. And here we have two products, one is the Woo album and the other one is the test product. So from here, if you want, you can delete the cart if the customer hasn't arrived back for completing the checkout of the whole order, or you can tap here on the add button and you can see that the cart has been added successfully, and both of the products have been added back into the cart, and now the customer can make a checkout thereafter. Also, you can see that the whole order has been removed. The notification icon on the top right hand corner here on the pause icon has been removed. And also if I go to the orders and wholesale, the particular cart has been emptied from the wholesale section. So that was the workflow there, how to add the products, how to add a new product, how to delete product, how to add the products using the barcode, how to add the price per product there to provide a discount, how to apply a coupon code by tapping on the apply coupon code, and how to make a payment and how to hold the cart there. Now on the left hand side panel here, you can see that we have the home option that provides us the complete view of the products within the POS terminal itself. Then we have the customers. So if I tap on the customers, here we have the option to add a customer, or if we have already a selected customer, we can edit that particular customer by tapping here on the edit option. So if I tap on the edit, I can make the changes to Mark 2, for example Mark 222, and I can update the customer. Customer has been updated successfully. So now if I tap on Mark 2 again, you can see that the name of the Mark 2 has been changed to Mark 222. Okay, so if you want to select this particular one again for the cart, then you can tap on the change customer and you can see that the mark has been assigned to the cart there. So that was about the customer section. Here you can add and you can basically change the customer for the cart. You can search the customers by name and their email. So for example, Jack at Webcool. So you can search through the email as well. Then we have the cashier section. Here we have the cash draw account summary. The opening amount was $1,000. Today's cash sale is $20. Total other payment sale is $0. Expected amount in draw is $1,017.60 there, and the difference is, or the available amount that has been acquired today is $17.60. So the cashier can basically add the remarks as well here for the cash balance and can close the draw as well before logging out. Then we also have two more options here. One is the today's cash and the sales history. Under today cash, here you can see the opening draw amount, today's cash sale, today's other payment sale, and the complete list of orders that have been placed today. So the order number 346 was placed today for $17.60 and the payment mode was cash there. We also have the sale history that gives us the complete list of sale history there, as you can see right now on the screen there, with the date, cash sale, other payments, total sale, and the draw note as well. Then under the orders, we have the complete list of orders. So you can search the orders by the order ID as well. For example, 340, you can search it out. You can check the wholesale, as I've already told you. Offline sale, I'll be showing you that in a moment from now. Under the sale history, you can tap on any of the orders there. For example, order number 333, and you can print the invoice for the same. Here you can see the details of the order as well. Coming to the report section, here you'll be able to see the complete reports for the POS terminal there. So here you can see the date range. So from the drop down, you can choose the presets, or you can use custom presets as well as per your own requirement there. And according to that, you can update the date range there for the filters, and you will be able to see the charts by gross revenue, net revenue, orders, average order value, items sold, refunds, discounted orders, gross discounted, total tax, order tax, cash payment, other payments, and much more. Apart from that, from here you can change it to bar graphs, as you can see, or to the other way as well here. You can also filter it out by day, according to days. Now after the reports, we have the settings. Under the settings, the particular POS terminal agent can set up his account settings or the other settings. Under the account settings, he can change his first name, last name. He can also change his password by entering his previous password, setting up his new password and confirming and tapping on the update account option. Then we have the other settings. Under that, you'll be able to choose the language for your POS terminal there. And you can also select the invoice printer from the drop down from the available ones like A3, A4 printer, Epson TM T88V thermal printer, A5, A6 printer, and you can save the settings thereafter. Then we have this option here to reset. So that would basically reset the complete POS terminal and would basically import the product successfully, the complete list of products from the, for example, if new products have been added from the backend there, then you can reset this thing from this particular section, and all of the products and the categories would accordingly be updated. Lastly, here we have the exit option to log out of the POS terminal. So if I tap here on the log out option, we'll be logged out, as you can see. Let me log into the POS terminal once again. I'll do it later for the cash draw. Let me cancel this out. So on the bottom left hand corner, we have the exit option. Now, one more thing I wanted to show you, the offline orders. So for the offline orders, for example, I'm adding a product into the cart right now. Here you can see that we are connected to the internet, but let me disconnect the internet for the time being. So if I disconnect the internet here, you can see that you're about to enter the offline mode, right? And here at the top, you can see now at the internet available, we have this offline mode icon that you can see. Now the cash or the what we say as the POS terminal agent, what he can do is he has added the products into the cart. The POS terminal is right now in the offline mode there. So to make a payment, what he can do is he can directly tap here on the pay button, and he'll be taken to the checkout option here. So here you can see on the left hand side we have Woo singles, and the total that needs to be paid is $2.20 payable amount. The customer name is John Doe. If you tap on that, you can change the customer from that particular section as well. One is you can do it from here on the card by tapping here on the customer name and choosing the customer, or you can go there and you can select, or you can tap here on this particular customer name if you want to make the changes to the customer. Now here we'll be setting up the amount tendered by the customer, for example $50, and the change that needs to be given back is 47.80 cents. 50 is given by the customer, and now you can confirm the payment and generate the invoice thereafter. So for the print invoice, I'll just skip that for the time being, and I'll tap here on the skip option. So you can see that in the offline mode we have placed the order. Now if I go here to the order section and go to the offline sale, here you'll find the Woo singles that we have just placed for $2, amount tendered by the customer, and the change returned by the POS terminal agent back to the customer there. Now from here as well, you can tap on the print invoice to print the invoice for the customer. Customer name is John Doe. The change is 47.80. The tendered amount $50. The total payment amount was $2.20 there. So that's how you can also place the orders in the offline mode as well. Now, for example, now if I tap here and I connect back to the internet there, you will see that this icon would automatically change into the Wi-Fi icon that shows that the internet is back again, right? Now if I go to the home page, and here you can see that we have one synchronize option. If I tap on that, that will bring the offline sale and would automatically synchronize this particular offline sale with the online store that we have automatically. So yes, that was much about this particular WooCommerce point of sale plugins POS terminal end workflow, and I hope it helped you out in understanding how this POS terminal works there, the different options that you get, and the rest of the flow as I've already shown you. If you still have any questions, queries, suggestions, or requirements regarding this plugin, that's the WordPress WooCommerce point of sale plugin, then you can anytime get back to us at support@webcool.com, or you can raise a ticket at webcool.qvdesk.com as well. Apart from that, if you find this particular video helpful, then do kindly give it a thumbs up. And lastly, thanks for watching this particular video and have a great day ahead.